Hello, good morning, parents and children. Welcome you all. I hope you all are staying safe at home. I request the parents, please help your child to sit with math notebook, pencil and eraser. Dear children, you have already learnt forward counting 1 to 50, count and write, count and circle, number names 1, 2, 3 in previous video. In this e-class, you are going to learn and write number names 4, 5. Let's start. Children, first we will learn the spelling of number 4. Dear children, now count the number of flowers on the screen. How many flowers are there on the screen? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flowers. So, the spelling of number 4 is, read with me, F O U R 4. Say again, F O U R 4. Spelling of number 4 is, start with letter F. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. All of you will learn the spelling of number 4. Now, let's children, we will write the spelling of number 4. Take out your pencil, notebook, eraser. Get ready for the work. Now, children, we will write the spelling of number 4. All of you take out your notebook. Take out your maths notebook. First, write date. On the left side of the page, write date. After date, write CW. CW means class work. Now, we will write the heading of our topic. Our topic is number name. So, let's start writing. Write first letter N in a box. Next, U. After letter U, write letter M. Then write letter B. Besides B, write letter E. After E, write letter R. Now, spelling of number is complete. Then leave one box, leave one column. Now start from here, write letter N, A, then M. After M, write letter E, name. Now our heading of the topic is completed. Now leave one line, leave one row. Now start writing number 4. Write number 4. Then put the sign of hyphen. After that, write letter F. Then O, U, then letter R. Spelling of number 4 is completed. Now leave one line, leave one row, write number 4, then put the sign of hyphen, then write letter F, then letter O, U, letter R. 4. F, O, U, R, 4. Then again leave one line, leave one row. After leaving one line, write number 4, put the sign of hyphen, then write the spelling of number 4. F, O, U, R, 4. Again write number 4, then write the spelling of number 4. F, O, U, R, 4. Then again leave one line, then write number 4, put hyphen, F, O, U, R, 4. Repeat the same procedure. Write number 4, then spelling F, O, U, R, 4. Children, try to write perfectly. Try to write your letter formation perfectly. 4, F, O, U, R, 4. Then again F, O, U, R, 4. Children, all of you will write your work in good handwriting. Okay, children? Now, children, you will repeat the same classwork in homework. Write HW. HW means homework. Write date on the left side. Okay, all of you write date. After date, you will write the same heading, number name, then you will do your homework. In homework, you will write the spelling of number 4. You will learn it also. Okay, children? Children, I am sure all of you have learnt the spelling of number 4. All of you have learnt now? Now, I am going to teach you number name 5. The spelling of number 5. Children, be noted. Next day, number name 5 you will note down in notebook. Children, let's start to learn the spelling of number 5. Children, count how many fishes are there on the screen. Count the fishes with me. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fishes are there? 5 fishes. So, spelling of number 5 is F I V E. 5. Say again with me. The spelling of number 5. F I V E. 5. F I V E. 5. Okay, children, all of you will learn the spelling of number 5. Now we are going to write the spelling of number 5. So children, take out your notebook, pencil, eraser, get ready for the word. Now, children, we will write the spelling of number 5. Okay. Now, all of you take out your maths notebook. Write date on the left side of the notebook. After date, you will write CW. CW means classwork. Now, we will write the heading of our topic, that is number name. Okay, let's start. First, write letter N. After N, write letter U. Besides U, write letter M. Then next, letter B. Then next, letter E. Then letter R. After that, leave one box. Leave one column. Then we will start writing name, spelling of name. Write N, A, then M, E. Write each letter in each box. Don't take out the letter outside the box. Now your heading of today's topic is complete. That is number name. Now after this, leave one line, leave one row, then write number 5. All of you write number 5. Then after 5, put the sign of hyphen in next box. Then next box, write letter F. I, letter V, E, F, I, V, E, 5. Spelling of number 5 is complete. Now leave one box, leave one row, then write number 5. Then put the sign of hyphen, then write letter F, letter I, letter V, letter E. See, now the spelling of number 5 is completed. Now again leave one row, leave one box. Try to make number perfectly. Put the sign of hyphen, write letter F, I, V, E, 5. Again you will follow the same procedure. Leave one row, one box, write number 5, put the sign of hyphen, then letter F, I, V, E, 5. Same again, write number 5, spelling of 5, F, I, V, E, 5. All of you will do your work in good handwriting. Try to make perfect letter. Try to make perfect number. F, I, V, E, 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Okay children, you will do your work like this in your maths notebook. After writing classwork, you will repeat the same classwork in homework. Next page, you will write HW. Put date on the left side of the page. After date, you will write heading of your topic. Number, name. Now after heading, you will write number 5, then spelling of number 5, that is F, I, V, E, 5. Okay children, you will repeat the same classwork in homework. Children, I am sure all of you have learnt the spelling of number 5. Now we will revise the number names 1 to 5. Children, next day number name from 1 to 5 you will note down in notebook. Now we are going to revise again the number names 1 to 5. Children, let's start the revision of number names 1 to 5. Dear children, now look at the screen. How many flowers are here? Only one. See the spelling of one? O-N-E, one. O-N-E, one. Now count how many faces of cats are here. 1, 2. Say the spelling of 2. T-W-O, 2. T-W-O, 2. Now count how many horses' faces are here. 1, 2, 3. 3 faces. Say the spelling of 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. Now count how many fishes are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fishes. Say the spelling of 4. F-O-U-R, 4. F-O-U-R, 4. Now look at the pictures of rabbit, bunnies. Let's count the picture of rabbit faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rabbits. Now say the spelling of 5. F-I-V-E, 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Children, you will learn the spelling of number 1 to 5. All of you will learn. Now take out your notebook, pencil, eraser. We will write the spelling of number 1 to 5 in notebook. Get ready for the work. Now children, we will write the spelling of number 1 to 5, which you have already learnt. You know the spelling of number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will write all together in copy. Spelling of number 1 to 5. Let's start. Take out your notebook. Write date on the left side of the notebook. After date, write CW, that is classwork. After classwork, write heading of your topic, that is number name. Start writing. Write first letter N, then U, then M. After M, write letter B. After B, write letter E, then R. Number. Spelling of number is complete. Now leave one box. Leave one column. Then write letter N. A. After A, write letter M. After M, write letter E. Spelling of name is completed. Now our heading of today's topic is number name has completed. Let's start. Now leave one row. Okay. Then write number 1. Then put the sign of hyphen besides number 1. Then we will write the spelling of number 1, which is O-N-E-1. Let's write O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. Now leave one row, one box, write number 2, then put the sign of hyphen. Then we will write the spelling of number 2. Spelling of number 2 is T-W-O-2. Let's write T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Okay. Now again leave one row, leave one box, write number 3. Put the sign of hyphen. Then the spelling of number 3 is T-H-R-E-E. So children, write the spelling of number 3. T-H-R-E-E. T-H-R-E-E-3. T-H-R-E-E-3. Leave one row, one box, write number 4, put the sign of hyphen, write the spelling of number 4. Spelling of number 4 is F-O-U-R. 4. Let's start. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Now after 4 we will write the spelling of number 5. Leave one row, one box, then write number 5, put the sign of hyphen. Then spelling of number 5 is F-I-V-E. 5. See the spelling of 5? Let's write F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, children. Now, have you seen this? You will do your classwork like this. Okay? You will do your classwork like this. Now, in next page, you will write homework. Write HW. Put date on the left side of the notebook of the page. Write heading of the topic, that is number, name. Number, name. Okay. After writing heading of the topic, you will repeat the same classwork in homework. Same classwork you will repeat in homework. Okay, children? While writing, you will learn this work also. I request all the LKG parents kindly help the children to write and learn number names 1 to 5. We will meet in next video. Till then, children can revise forward counting 1 to 50, count and write, count and circle the correct number, number names 1 to 5. Stay safe, stay at home, take care of yourself.